Hello my beautiful bad bitches, welcome back to my channel. If you have not seen my face before, my name is Kayla. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you 5 daily habits that I do on a daily basis to manifest my dreams. So the first one is pretty obvious and a lot of people mention it. It is meditation. But the type of meditation that I do is like a guided meditation, and it's not necessarily like just clear my thoughts or whatever. It's with intention. A lot of the times I will search up on YouTube what exactly I'm looking for, whether I want to manifest money, whether I want to manifest a vacation, whether I want to manifest feeling more love in my life, whatever it may be. I look it up on YouTube and I do the meditation. Typically it's around like 10 to 20 minutes. I also do the ones that are 8 hours long while I'm sleeping. So I typically do this almost every night depending on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I just want it quiet at night. Other times I do want my subconscious mind to be picking stuff up in my sleep. So I do those types of meditations, and I do meditations in the morning and at night as well, even if it's just like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, the next thing that I do is scripting. And I fell out of this for a little bit because I was like really busy and traveling, but I've hopped back into it and I script every single night. So this is my scripting journal. I actually have a whole video on how to script, so I will leave that link down below. I also have an entire manifestation playlist if you guys want to go watch it. That'll be linked down below as well. As far as scripting, the gist of it is I pretty much write down every single night what I want my life to look like, but as if it's already happened. So for instance, I mean, I don't want a Lamborghini, but let's say I wanted a Lamborghini, right? I mean, I did the same thing with my Tesla. So I would write down, thank you so much for this Lamborghini or Tesla or like whatever, write a letter to the universe at night, and then in the morning I open it up before I meditate and I just look at it so that I understand what I'm meditating for. And that is probably, I would say, the number one way that I've ever manifested, is that and meditation combined. I absolutely love scripting so much. Again, I have a detailed video about it, but that is one thing I do on a daily basis. Now the next thing could fall into the meditation category, but I kind of look at it a little bit different, is affirmations. I'll literally look at myself in the mirror while I'm doing my makeup or my skincare, and I will just tell myself how beautiful I am. And then also I do guided affirmations like on YouTube as well, so I'll just look up like affirmations, and yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I also do the like subliminal tracks, so do like a meditation or affirmational audio, but they tone down the audio so that you can barely hear it. It sounds like whispers, and I'll pretty much just do daily tasks, like I'll be working and I'll put on a money subliminal. I won't necessarily hear it very much, but it'll be going into my subconscious mind. That kind of falls in the category of like meditation, and I didn't put that on my list to share with you guys, but that's a little added bonus. The fourth thing is a quote that I live by, and it is, be the energy that you want to attract. So when I go out in the world, I try my best to consciously be the energy that I want to attract. It's kind of like the saying, treat people the way you want to be treated, and that is very true in my life. I treat people the way I want to be treated, and that's like a reflection of my energy as well, because I do notice pretty consistent everyday basis people are just nice to me, and that's because I put kindness out in the world back. And the last thing that I do on an everyday basis is I always want to give somebody something, and that's not necessarily monetary value or giving, like actually handing them something physical. A lot of times it's just me in my head sending them love and gratitude. And like say I go out and I see somebody walking on the street who looks like they might be having a bad day. I don't know the person, but I just pretty much say, universe, please send them all the love that they need. Pretty much just send my energetic love to everybody on a daily basis. If I see someone struggling, I help them. Just like little things like that, you know, just small things really add up, and love putting love out in the world. So those are my 5 habits I do on a daily basis. Now my tip to you is start with one of these, and that resonates with you the most, start to do it consistently. I'm not telling you to do all these things at once because I know it can be a lot, but some of these things are really simple and super easy and doesn't require much effort. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below something that you do on an everyday basis to help you manifest your dreams as well. I would love to know. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye!